Hey everyone, my name is Jay and we are at our company e-funding experts. And at e-funding experts, our passion is to help you go to where you want to go. Whether you are a startup, whether you are an existing business and want to take your business to the next level, or whether you want to get started in real estate. Now, one of the questions that a lot of my clients ask me is, Jay, I don't think I can get there. And when I want to know why they can't get there is because they think they can't because their credit score is not where they think they need it. Now, do not be ever discouraged, you guys, because if you are not quote unquote on the 680s, which is our minimum criteria, we can help you get there. This is one of our most successful clients. When he came into our company, he was a 580 credit score, and of course back then he didn't have any access to funding, but right now the possibilities are endless. We can give him access to cash, we can give him access to line of credit, and we can even also give him access to credit cards. Now we can raise anywhere from $5,000 up to $700,000 in unsecured funding. If you are a real estate investor, then we can go up to millions. It's all based on the asset. But guys, if you have any questions, if you want to know how is it that we can help you get to where you want to go to our website www.efundingexperts.com. There's never a lack of money, you guys, but a lack of information as to where is it that you can get your money from, and that is what e-funding experts is here for. So give us a call at 833-568-4712 or go to our website www.efundingexperts.com and we can go ahead and assist you and get you to where you want to go.